In this video I'm gonna show you how to edit a reel from scratch and bring it to a finished product in probably half the time that you're doing it right now. This is the before and the after of what we are gonna do today, and I'm gonna break down the workflow that saves me time, creates great quality, and it's super easy to use. I'm gonna showcase how I do everything with this plugin. It has all my text animations that you can see here, and sound effects, transitions, overlays, backgrounds, and even more text animations. Now to go through and basically talk about how I'm gonna edit it, but first I'm gonna add a caption here as for a hook, text animations without, and probably with a riser, and here any keyframes or After Effects, and here I'm thinking of doing basically blank and just doing a full screen text animation here. Well, let me show you how to do that. And then here we are jumping back with text. So let's just go through and select for the hook. I'm just gonna pick this one, for example, and I just have to go into properties and maybe scale it.
Do you want this clean?
Let me go like this. Let's see.
Do you want this clean text?
Let me position it like this, cut it. And to change up the text, I just type in here, clean text animations.
Text animation.
And you see here it's a bit too close together, so I'm just gonna drag it down, and this one as well, just like this. And maybe what I would add is just make it bigger like this. And what I can do is go to my overlays and just go visible lower thirds and just add this in, and I just go for the visible lower thirds and just go here and just go multiply. And now you can see the text is much more clear. Basically we can see it much better. And for the hook I'm just gonna go in and go real text, and actually I favorite mine. You can favorite the ones you like, and I use this a lot. Real text too, so I'm gonna pick this one.
Do you want this?
So I'm just gonna put do you want this, like this, and play with the line spacing to bring it closer, and maybe just play around with the size and see how it is. I'm gonna start it here.
Do you want this?
And if I close it here, just make this smaller, you can see I have an out transition for the first text, and it's just to up, and yeah, like this is better.
Do you want this clean text animation?
And just move it up so it's in the same space.
It's clean text animations without.
And to transition, I'm just gonna go to the transition pack, and let me, yeah, this one, and again just drag it like this, and go effects controls, and with screen
animations without any.
You see it's transparent, and we also get the sound effects. And I'm gonna pick a background now and go on this one. Nice.
Animations without any key.
I'm in the full screen animation now, and to make it, I think I'm gonna use the checkbox text preset. What did I say here?
Without any keyframes or.
Yeah, because I want to do no keyframes. And you can see here is just like a lot of animations for short form or long form, and I just pick this one because this is my use case here. I'm gonna go crossing out and just make it red like this. And with my background, I think I'm gonna just make it like this, because the blue doesn't make sense when I'm talking negatively, so yeah. And to change up the text position, just go text settings, and just move it here, and let's just scale it in the middle. Just like this, and let's see how it is.
Without any keyframes.
And let's duplicate it and say no After Effects. And you can either move it here or here, up to you. Just do it randomly.
Or after.
And here is a bit bigger, so I'm just gonna make that font smaller and maybe move it like this a bit.
After Effects. Well.
Boom, and I'm again going to copy the transition.
Effects. Well, let me show you how to do it.
And again, I'm gonna copy my real text. And
well, let me show you.
Let me show you.
Well, let me show you how to do it.
How to do them. And here, let's do something more interesting and just get my lower thirds like this.
Let me show you how to do it.
And what we can do is go onto the overlays and just get our highlighter here. Let's go with this one. And just see.
How to do that. Let me show you how to do that.
And here I want to not have that transition because I will go again and use the flash. So how to do them? I'm just gonna make this longer and put it over, and I'm gonna play with the blending mode over it.
Well, let me show you how to do that.
Yeah, that's clean. And now to add my sound effects, I just go here and search, for example, riser. Yeah, I like this one. Just gonna go -10.
Do you want this clean text animation without any key?
Yeah, and for example, I want a keyboard sound. I like this one a lot.
Do you want it?
Just gonna -10.
Do you want it? This clean.
And I'm just gonna have it when it's typed, basically, like this.
Do you want this clean text animation without any?
And I'm just gonna copy this here.
Well, let me show you. How to do that.
And here I want a marker sound effect. We nearly have everything here, so you can search for basically anything. I will show you for the full screen animation as well what sound effect.
How to do that.
I'm just gonna make this.
How to do that.
And I'm gonna go in and get my riser again. And for this, no keyframes, I'm just gonna go UI. I think I like this one.
Without any keyframes.
And gonna make it faster. So
Without any keyframes or After Effects.
yeah, nice.
Without any keyframes or After Effects. Well,
And it's basically done. All I would do maybe here is, let's move the sound effects a bit and maybe add a little zoom in animation. Just make an adjustment layer here and apply the effect transform.
do you want this?
Just like so.
Do you want this clean text animation with?
Let's just duplicate this. So we have a continuous clean zoom for every single one of them.
Without any keyframes or?
Here what you can do actually more interesting. Make it like this and just scale it like here. And add your shutter angle so you have motion blur.
Keyframes or After Effects? Well, let me show you how to do that.
And if you want to spice it up, maybe to have something different in the beginning, maybe I will do this.
Do you want this clean text animation without any keyframes or After Effects? Well, let me show you how to do that.
And you're basically done. You've done this whole sequence, which literally would have taken hours for me to do in After Effects, but with this tool you can do it in literally minutes, as you can see. So we have over 20 transitions for long form and short form, a lot of overlays, over 520 assets actually in total. You can highlight and make your stuff to favorites if you want to, and to import literally anything you just double click. For example, we have this YouTube CTA, then you can use to make people subscribe to you or something like that. We have this ManyChat comment, this information message, for example, if you want to tell something. This whole iPhone side overlay, these hand-drawn text animations, confetti, for example. This is also kind of cool.
Do you want this?
I don't know, maybe doesn't fit here necessarily, but this is something you can do.
Do you want this clean text animation without any key?
I don't know, just an idea here. Maybe it helps you. Or this old DV tape, for example, like this.
Do you want this clean text animation without any keyframes or After Effects?
Oh, you got the whole vintage vibe if you are looking for that. And you can use literally for anything. And of course captions, where we have over 40 of these super premium and done for you text animations. You just have to double click and it's instantly on your timeline, and you just have to change up the text into the properties. Change up the text. And that's about it. You can get all of these awesome styles in a literal double click. Literally, not like every other ad, but here it's literally like you saw it. And you can just import any of the backgrounds for 16:9 or 9:16, long form and short form, and more one-liners. These are just one line. And again, these all work with a simple double click, and you just change the text here. And that's how the plugin works. Last quick reminder, if you want to get this whole plugin that I use this entire video, you'll have a link down below, and you'll get all of these fancy assets, over 520 assets, instantly in Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.